Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone Bluetooth setting, and friends today video title is guys how can we pair Bluetooth earbud. Friends you have guys your Bluetooth earbud guys is same like that earbuds, and friends you want to pair with your phone, so friends how can you pair? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting, and guys first of all take out your earbud guys. You want to connect one, you want to connect two, means you want to pair one earbuds, you can take out your one earbuds, you can pair it. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see your Bluetooth setting as tap here. First of all guys, we will enable phone Bluetooth setting guys. You want to enable your Bluetooth setting guys, you want to disable, you can enable and disable from here guys. So first of all we will enable. After enable guys, we will refresh. After refresh guys, you can see guys your available device setting. So when again guys we will refresh. So sometimes it's happened do not work. So what will you have to do is, don't worry friends, off your earbuds, and then we will take out again our earbuds. Then guys you can pair your earbuds again guys, we will refresh it. So once you can see now your earbud name. So I have got this Bluetooth earbud Breton company TWS. I will tap here to pair. Friends you can see this pairing, and after 4 and 5 seconds guys you can see this notification block, cancel and pair. You want to pair, you can see guys pair with Breton TWS. Here we want to pair. After pair guys you can see this earphone guys, sorry friend, this earbud will pair in your phone, and you can use guys while watching movie, listening song guys. You can use your Bluetooth earbuds. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.